Okay, this video is to talk through a couple of tips on sharing screens. All right. One, I'm already showing why you shouldn't use a digital background because you'll disappear sometime. But if you want to share screen with your participants, you just click on this button down here at the bottom, says share screen. And you pick the screen that you want to share. There we go, Microsoft Excel. And then you share screen. If you want to stop sharing screen, you just hit clear, stop sharing screen. If you have participants, and I can't really show it because I'm the only participant, but let's say you're the host, you can go over here. I'm going to click on my participants, and over here you can select, and under here it won't do it here because I'm the only one here. But under here, you can give other people the ability to share screen and other kinds of things if you just make them the co-host. All right, you can also mute their mic and etc. All right, so this is how to share screen.